Welcome to Dasanti Discoveries. Today we're venturing into the forests of Utah to uncover one of nature's most fascinating secrets, a single organism so large and ancient that it dwarfs nearly everything else on Earth. Meet Pando, the world's largest living organism. At first glance, Pando looks like an ordinary forest, a collection of quaking aspen trees that stretch across more than 100 acres in the Fish Lake National Forest in Utah. But what if I told you that every single one of these trees is actually part of the same living organism? Let's dive into the incredible science behind Pando, how it was discovered, what makes it unique, and why its survival is vital for our planet. What is Pando? Pando, whose name means "I spread" in Latin, is not a collection of individual trees. It's a single massive organism connected by a shared root system. Unlike typical forests where trees are separate entities, every tree you see here is genetically identical, growing from a single ancient root system that's been thriving for thousands of years. Scientists estimate that Pando is about 2,400 years old, though some believe it could be much older, possibly as old as 14,000 years. This makes it one of the oldest living organisms on Earth as well. Pando's root system is the key to its success. Instead of relying on seeds to reproduce, Pando sends up new shoots from its underground roots. These shoots grow into what appear to be individual trees, but they're all part of the same organism. This unique method of growth allows Pando to regenerate and thrive in ways that most plants cannot. How big is Pando? Pando isn't just ancient, it's also massive. The entire colony spans over 106 acres and weighs an estimated 13 million pounds, making it the largest known organism on the planet by mass. To put that in perspective, imagine an area the size of 80 football fields, all covered by what seems to be a forest, but is actually one interconnected being. Each tree in Pando may live for about 100 to 150 years, but as individual trees die, new shoots grow to replace them, keeping the organism alive. This constant cycle of renewal has allowed Pando to endure for millennia. The science of Pando. So, what makes Pando's survival possible? The secret lies in its resilience. Pando's root system is incredibly robust, allowing it to weather harsh conditions, from wildfires to extreme droughts. Interestingly, quaking aspens like those in Pando are some of the few trees that can regenerate even after being completely burned above ground. The root system remains intact and sends up new shoots, making Pando a natural survivor. Pando's genetic uniformity is another fascinating aspect. Every tree in the colony shares the exact same DNA. This genetic consistency has helped scientists understand more about clonal organisms and how they adapt to changing environments over time. Threats to Pando. Despite its resilience, Pando is facing significant challenges today. Overgrazing by deer and elk is one of the biggest threats. These animals feed on the young shoots that Pando needs to regenerate, preventing new growth and weakening the organism over time. Human activities such as development and land use changes also pose a threat. Invasive species and diseases are additional concerns that could disrupt the delicate balance that has allowed Pando to survive for thousands of years. Climate change is another major factor. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns can stress the root system and make it harder for Pando to sustain its massive size. Efforts to protect Pando. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect this natural wonder. Scientists and local organizations are working together to fence off parts of Pando, limiting grazing in key areas to allow new shoots to grow. There's also ongoing research to better understand Pando's needs and how to ensure its survival in a changing climate. Public awareness plays a big role too. By learning about Pando and its importance, we can all contribute to its preservation. Why Pando matters. Why is Pando so significant? Beyond its sheer size and age, Pando represents the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Its ability to thrive as a single organism over millennia is a testament to the resilience of nature. Pando also plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, providing habitat for countless species of plants and animals. Its preservation is not just about saving a unique organism, but also about maintaining the biodiversity of the region. Pando, the giant aspen colony, reminds us of the wonders of nature and the need to protect it. It's a living, breathing example of how interconnected life can be and how much we still have to learn from the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the largest living organism on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.